Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Village. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of our future videos. In today's session, we will take a look how to have running totals in Excel. In front of you on the screen, we have on the left hand side the months January, February, March, April, May, June. And for the 6 months, in the next neighboring column, we have the sales. Okay. So our target for today is to have a running total in the third column over here. Okay. So that means the first cell will be showing as 5,000. The second cell will be showing 5,000 plus the sales for the current month, that is 10,000. So here it will be showing as 15,000. And over here it will be showing this 15,000 plus this 30,000. So it will be 45,000. So let us see how to go about to achieve it. So we go to the first cell over here and we start with the sum function. We type is equal to sum. Then what we do is we click to the first cell where we want to start the summation. So this is the first cell which we want to include in our running totals. So we click over here. Okay. And then what we do is we want to extend the range. So we extend the range by pressing the double colon and B2. Okay. Now what we need to do over here is we need to close this and hit an enter. So what we have done is the starting of the range, if you observe the formula over here right now, the starting of the range and the closing of the range is B2. So B2 double colon B2. Okay. So this is the formula what we need to put over here. Now before copying it to the next cell, we need to make a small modification, and this is the trick. Okay. We go to the first column reference and we make it fixed by preceding it with a dollar sign. Okay. So this is the trick. We change the formula and we make the column reference as absolute and we hit an enter. So now if you see, the total in the first cell is correct, 5,000. Now what we need to do is just copy this formula down the range. And to do this, we come over here to the end of the cell. As soon as the symbol changes, we double click. And fantastic. You can see that the formula got copied down. But surprisingly, now we have the running totals over here. Okay. So we didn't do any additional work and we have achieved this fantastic running totals formula. So what? Let us double check. So this we are having 5,000. 5 plus 30,000 is 45,000. 45,000 plus 40,000 is 85,000. And 85,000 plus 50,000 is 135,000. So we are going great. So this is how you can have running totals put into Excel. I hope that you like this trick and you have enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And once again, reminding you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with others. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos.